Hello, all. Welcome to the day 40 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this: if A is a m by n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and the columns of A is called the transpose of A. Second line says a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A for all possible values of I and j. Third line says a square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. Based on the above information, solve the following questions. Question 1. Evaluate A, B, C, the whole transpose using transpose properties. So by transpose properties, just the order of the multiplication reverses. So ABC transpose is equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Second question, what is the relation between symmetric and skew symmetric matrices? Every square matrix can be written as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That is, let us take A as the given matrix. This can be written as S plus K, where S is the symmetric matrix, which is A plus A transpose by 2, and K is skew symmetric matrix, which is A minus A transpose by 2. Let's write this in the form of a sentence. Every square matrix can be written as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Third question, for any square matrix with real number entries, show that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So first let us prove that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, and let us take that as P. P is equal to A plus A transpose. We have to prove that P transpose is equal to P. Coming back to our assumption, now let's take the transpose on both sides. P transpose is equal to A plus A transpose, the whole transpose. Applying the transpose properties, P transpose is A transpose plus A transpose, the whole transpose. P transpose is equal to A transpose plus A. P transpose is nothing but P. Therefore, P is a symmetric matrix. This implies that A plus A transpose is symmetric. Second part in the question is we have to prove that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Let us take Q as A minus A transpose. To prove, we have to prove that Q transpose is equal to minus Q. Taking transpose on both the sides, Q transpose is equal to A minus A transpose, the whole transpose. Q transpose is A transpose minus transpose of A transpose. Q transpose is A transpose minus transpose of A transpose is A itself. Q transpose is, taking out the minus sign, we have A minus A transpose in the bracket, which is nothing but Q transpose is equal to minus Q. So we proved this. Therefore, Q is skew symmetric, which implies A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Fourth question, if A transpose is equal to 0, minus 1, 2, 3 and B is given, then evaluate transpose of 2A plus B. Transpose of 2A plus B by the properties of transpose, we can write this as 2 times A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose has been given in the question, which is 2 times 0, minus 1, 2, 3. B transpose will be 2, 1, minus 1, 4. 2 times A transpose is 0, minus 2, 4 and 6 plus 2, 1, minus 1, 4. On adding the matrices, we get 2, minus 1, 3 and 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.